Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Sorry it's been a while. Been working on some things, going through some life stuff, but here we are. So right now in this basket, I literally did not have a clue what was inside. My friend gave it to me, and here I am pulling everything out, and I'm gonna make something nice for you guys. So I guess we can call this the Mystery Basket Edition, Volume 1. As always, it's very important to sanitize your cutting board. Here I am using a peeler to create strips. This goes with the dish. And here I'm just chopping the extra cucumber, and I'm going to use for something else. You can even make cucumber water. Here I have a jalapeno that was green and it turned red. I've had it for a while. I believe in reusing and repurposing, so I do not like to waste anything. I'm slowly starting to fall in love with spicy food, but I have to ease my way in, so I need to cut out the seeds. I'm just going for a rough chop here, so I'm just gonna slice down the middle, turn it to a side, and chop it up. You can probably guess what I'm making here, but you won't know until the end of the video. And no cheating, do not scroll to the end. So this is another variation of a jalapeno. I'm just doing the same thing, cutting out most of the seeds, and I'm gonna chop it up the same way as I did the jalapeno that was green that turned red. This is the more professional way of dicing a pepper. You're just gonna slice it into strips as thinly as possible. You're gonna turn it to the side, and this way you get more uniform cuts, just like what you see right now. Upon my recent trip to the farm, I literally picked this lettuce straight from the ground. It is an amazing experience knowing that you can go right to the source and grab your food. Whatever I do not need, I'm just gonna put in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna use for something else. Back in my culinary school days, I used to hate cutting onions, but now I've grown fond of them. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. I've always been a fan of precision knife work. Something about the little cuts and incisions fascinate me. This is pretty much how you dice an onion. This is the most satisfying part right here. I always cut out the head of the mushroom cap because it makes it easier to grill or pan fry. And you can save the piece, chop it up, and use it in an omelet or another dish if you want. To get perfect cubes of cheese, you're just gonna slice off a side of the cheese like that, and then you're gonna cut it down the middle equally. You're gonna turn it to the side, and you're gonna gently chop it, making sure that you keep the same measurements all the way down the cheese. All of the ingredients are chopped up. Now it's time to season everything. Here I'm using a pizza blend, and then I'm using a everything bagel blend. I like to experiment with different seasonings. Feel free to use whatever you like. Once everything is in a bowl, you're just gonna mix well with your hand. So our mixture is ready to go, and I'm pretty sure you know what we're gonna be making right now. We're making turkey burger patties, but you can also make turkey meatballs out of this if you want, or you can stuff this mixture inside of a jalapeno or whatever you like. Let your imagination run wild. This is what our patties look like. In a hot pan, add any oil of your choice, and then you're gonna put your mushroom cap grooves down. After about a minute or two, you're gonna flip it over, and then we're gonna add a lid to seal it. This way, the steam will cook everything through. And what you're looking for is pretty much a very soft, fork tender mushroom cap. same pan, we're gonna add a little bit more oil, and then we're gonna add our turkey burger patty. Essentially, you want to cook your turkey burger patty 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You're then going to flip it over, and this is where I like to add a burger press to speed up the process. I got this one from the Palms restaurant, and it's amazing. It's time to assemble our turkey burger. I am using lettuce as the base, and I'm adding a homemade tzatziki sauce. Next step is the cucumber. Then I add the tomato. Feel free to play with different ingredients. This is just the order that I assembled it, but you can do whatever you want. Now I'm adding the turkey burger patty, and I'm just gonna finish building the rest of the sandwich. In closing, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and let me know if there's anything that you want me to cook in the comment section below.